Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that affects us all. Foods that slow aging naturally and the best anti-aging diet for skin and longevity. As we age, our skin and overall health can show signs of wear and tear, but did you know that what we eat plays a crucial role in this process? A balanced diet rich in specific nutrients can help maintain youthful skin and promote longevity. In this video, we'll explore delicious foods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also work wonders for your skin and body. Get ready to discover how simple dietary changes can lead to a more vibrant, youthful you. Let's embark on this journey to healthier aging together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Berries, antioxidant powerhouses. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are delicious and packed with powerful antioxidants that can significantly benefit your health and skin. Rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, these tiny fruits help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Key contributors to aging by neutralizing free radicals, berries protect your cells from damage, promoting a youthful appearance. Additionally, the antioxidants found in these fruits play a vital role in improving skin elasticity, helping you maintain that plump, radiant look. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can enhance your overall health, boost your immune system, and keep your skin glowing. So let's celebrate these antioxidant powerhouses and discover how they can be a delicious part of your anti-aging journey. Leafy greens, nutrient-dense vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that offer a wealth of benefits for your skin and overall health. These vegetables, which are packed with essential vitamins A, C, and K and vital minerals, support skin health and cellular repair. Vitamin A promotes skin cell turnover, while vitamin C aids in collagen production, giving your skin that youthful glow. Vitamin K is known for reducing dark circles and improving skin tone. Beyond skin benefits, incorporating leafy greens into your diet can significantly lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. So let's embrace these nutrient-dense vegetables and discover how they can enhance our health and beauty from the inside out. Nuts and seeds. Healthy fats. Nuts and seeds, including walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds, are essential to a healthy diet, offering a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. These healthy fats are crucial for promoting skin hydration and elasticity, helping to maintain a youthful appearance. Omega-3 fatty acids lock in moisture, keeping your skin plump and radiant, while vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from environmental damage. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of these nutrient-dense foods support overall health by reducing inflammation, which can lead to chronic diseases. By incorporating a variety of nuts and seeds into your daily meals, you can nourish your skin and enhance your well-being, making them a delicious and beneficial addition to your anti-aging diet. Fatty fish. Omega-3 rich foods. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are delicious and packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which offer numerous benefits for skin health and overall well-being. These healthy fats enhance skin hydration, reduce dryness, and improve elasticity, helping you achieve a youthful glow. Omega-3s also play a vital role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, lowering the risk of chronic diseases, and promoting heart health. Additionally, these nutrient-rich fish maintain cognitive function as we age, supporting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. By incorporating fatty fish into your diet, you can enjoy a tasty way to nourish your skin, support your heart, and keep your mind sharp as the years go by. Avocado, creamy and nutritious. Avocados are not just a trendy food. They are a powerhouse of nutrition that offers incredible benefits for your skin and overall health. Rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, avocados provide essential nutrients like vitamins E and C and potassium. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining skin moisture and elasticity, helping to keep your complexion youthful and radiant. The healthy fats in avocados also support the skin's barrier function, preventing dryness and promoting a smooth texture. Beyond skin benefits, avocados play a significant role in reducing cholesterol levels, which contributes to heart health. By incorporating avocados into your meals, you can enjoy their creamy goodness while nourishing your body from the inside out, making them a delicious addition to any anti-aging diet. Whole grains, fiber and nutrients. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats are essential to a balanced diet, offering a wealth of fiber and vital nutrients. Their high fiber content aids in digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. This fiber also helps with weight management by keeping you fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. In addition to fiber, whole grains are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which support overall health. Incorporating whole grains into your meals can also significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. You can nourish your body by choosing whole grains over refined options while enjoying delicious and versatile foods contributing to healthy aging. Dark chocolate, a treat for health. Dark chocolate is a delightful indulgence and a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for your skin and overall well-being. Rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids, dark chocolate helps combat oxidative stress, protecting your skin from damage and promoting a youthful appearance. These antioxidants can improve skin hydration and circulation, giving you a radiant glow. Additionally, dark chocolate has mood-boosting properties thanks to compounds that stimulate the production of endorphins, making you feel happier and more relaxed. Its potential heart health benefits are also noteworthy, as it may help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. By enjoying dark chocolate in moderation, you can savor a delicious treat while reaping its numerous health benefits, making it a perfect addition to your anti-aging lifestyle. We explored a variety of foods that can help slow aging and promote healthier skin. Each food is vital in enhancing your overall well-being, from antioxidant-rich berries and nutrient-dense leafy greens to healthy fats in nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. We also highlighted the benefits of avocados, whole grains, and even dark chocolate, showing how delicious choices can contribute to a youthful appearance and better health. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet is essential for reaping their benefits. We encourage you to take action by trying these foods and observing the positive changes in your health. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more tips on living a vibrant, healthy life.